In the fast-paced world of business, keeping up with the demands of sales and marketing can be overwhelming. That's where the magic of automation comes into play, especially with a tool as powerful as Keap. In this video, we will dive into what makes Keap Automation not just a tool, but a game changer for businesses and business owners alike. And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Keap, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Understanding sales and marketing automation. Imagine having a personal assistant dedicated to handling repetitive tasks that eat up your day. This assistant doesn't just work 24/7 without a break, but also does so with impeccable accuracy. That's what sales and marketing automation is all about. It takes care of tasks like sending our emails to your customers, posting updates on social media, reminding clients about their appointments, and even handling invoices and payments. This frees up a significant chunk of your time, allowing you to focus on growing your business and engaging more personally with your customers. Automation makes sure no task is forgotten or done late. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never gets tired or make mistakes. And the best part, it lets you stay connected with your customers without getting bogged down by routine tasks, ensuring they always feel valued and important. How Keap Automation transforms your business. Using Keap Automation, businesses can save an astonishing amount of time, up to 10 hours a week, according to a survey of Keap customers. But it's not just about saving time, it's about making every interaction with your customers feel personal and timely. Whether it's a follow-up email after they visit your website or a text message reminding them of an appointment, Keap makes these interactions seamless and automatic. This level of personalized communication is key to converting leads into sales and ensuring your customers feel valued. By automating routine communications, Keap ensures that no lead is forgotten and every customer receives the attention they deserve. The consistent, reliable communication helps build trust with your customers, making them more likely to stick with your business. In essence, Keap doesn't just help you manage your time better, it enhances the quality of your customer relationships, driving growth and loyalty. The power of Keap's features. Keap Automation shines with its ability to handle both simple and complex tasks with ease. From sending text and email follow-ups to potential clients to scheduling reminders for appointments, Keap has a range of features designed to streamline your business processes. What sets Keap apart is its flexibility. You can use preset easy automations for common tasks or create custom processes tailored to your specific needs. This means you can automate just about any aspect of your sales and marketing efforts, from capturing new leads to nurturing them into loyal customers. With Keap, you are not just automating tasks, you are creating a personalized journey for each customer that begins the moment they show interest in your business. Whether it's guiding a new lead through the sales pipeline or ensuring a long-time customer feels appreciated, Keap's automations are designed to enhance every interaction. This personalized approach not only saves time but also significantly improves the effectiveness of your sales and marketing efforts, setting your business up for success. Integration and customization. One of the strengths of Keap Automation is its ability to integrate with over 4,000 other apps and tools through Zapier. This means you can connect Keap with software you are already using, making your automation processes even more powerful and efficient. Whether you need to trigger specific actions based on customer behavior or streamline your workflows, Keap's integration capabilities make it possible. With these integrations, your business can run like a well-oiled machine, automatically updating customer information across platforms or triggering marketing campaigns based on specific customer actions. This seamless connection between different tools simplifies your processes, ensuring that your business can operate more smoothly and efficiently than ever before. Advanced automation with Keap. But what really takes Keap to the next level is its Advanced Automations Builder. This tool allows you to customize your sales and marketing processes to fit the unique needs of your business. You can set up advanced nurture sequences, personalized response triggers, and much more, ensuring that your automation efforts efforts are as effective as possible. With the ability to tailor each aspect of your sales and marketing automation, you can create highly targeted campaigns that speak directly to your customers' needs and interests. This level of customization not only improves the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, but also enhances the overall customer experience, making your business stand out in a crowded marketplace. Impact on sales and customer engagement. The impact of Keap Automation on sales and customer engagement is significant. By responding quickly to potential clients, businesses can dramatically increase their conversion rates. In fact, Keap's survey found that 44% of potential clients would move on to another company if they didn't receive a prompt response. With Keap, you can ensure that every lead is followed up on quickly, increasing the likelihood of repeat sales and referrals. This swift response time makes customers feel valued and heard, leading to a stronger relationship between the customer and your business. Moreover, happy customers are more likely to spread the word about your services, bringing even more business your way. Scaling your business with Keap. As your business grows, your automation needs will become more complex. Keap is designed to scale with you, offering both easy automations for basic tasks and advanced automation for more sophisticated processes. This means that as your business evolves, Keap can continue to meet your needs, helping you create predictable, repeatable growth. The ability to customize and scale your automation processes ensures that you are always ahead of the curve, ready to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. With Keap, you are not just growing, you are evolving in a way that keeps your business efficient and responsive to customer needs. Pricing and value. Keap offers a range of pricing options designed to fit businesses at different stages of growth. While the specifics of these pricing tiers vary, the value that Keap provides is clear. By automating repetitive tasks and enhancing customer communication, Keap helps businesses save time, increase sales, and improve overall efficiency. This makes Keap not just an expense but an investment in your business future. The time and resources saved allow you to focus on strategic areas of growth, such as product development and market expansion. Ultimately, investing in Keap means investing in the streamlined, efficient future of your business. Success stories. The effectiveness of Keap Automation is evident in the success stories of businesses that have used the platform. These businesses report not just increased efficiency and sales, but also a higher level of customer satisfaction. By automating their sales and marketing processes with Keap, they have been able to focus more on what they do best, growing their businesses and building relationships with their customers. Conclusion: the time to automate is now. In conclusion, finding ways to streamline operations and improve customer engagement is crucial. Keap Automation offers a powerful solution, enabling businesses to automate their sales and marketing tasks, save time, and enhance customer interactions. Whether you are a small startup or an established company, Keap provides the tool you need to take your business to the next level. So if you are looking to save time, increase sales, and create more personalized customer experiences, it's time to consider Keap Automation. With its powerful features, flexible integration options, and scalable solutions, Keap is the partner you need to grow your business and achieve your goals. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Keap, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.